Volatile organic compounds, VOCs, are often cited as support for interactions between living organisms. They exist in a wide variety of forms, but their concentrations in the air are low. Iteipmai is working to develop various ways of studying and capturing them, in order to analyze them. There are two types of capture: passive, static, and active, dynamic. In passive capture, the VOCs contained in a sample are extracted in a single step, either using techniques derived from industrial extraction models, or by trapping on a solid support. These systems can be sensitive to the effects of environment, such as temperature, pressure, relative humidity, or even the presence of certain VOCs in very high proportions, which prevents others, in smaller quantities, from binding. In active capture, the samples, heated or not, are driven by a stream of gas, which can be either air or inert gas depending on the experimental conditions. This stream of air will then carry the VOCs to a trap, which can be a very cold surface, performing cryo-trap or cryo-focusing, a solvent by bubbling, or a solid support such as SPME. As part of the DigitAF program, we use capture on solid support in order to be as close as possible to the conditions that may exist on an agroforestry plot. These different systems are made up of a solid support with different possible shapes such as rods, solid or hollow cylinders. These are impregnated on the surface or in depth with a polymer that will trap certain constituents depending on their physical properties, for example their size, their polarity, or their affinity for the polymer. The tool, developed by Iteipmai, includes a pump, a metal liner, a solid support, and a pipe that traps VOCs in the atmosphere. Following this capture, the solid support is recovered in order to extract the VOCs. The extract is then run through various gas chromatography equipment to identify and quantify the captured VOCs. This tool enables fast, simple and reliable capture. Its small size and lightweight make it easy to use in the field.